everyone. Ian here at AbelCine in Burbank. We just wrapped up a gear and smear, and I'm here with Alan from Vitech Production Solutions. And we're looking at light panels. We're looking at the Gemini 1x1. But one of the things you also brought along today are the new Titon batteries. And just so folks kind of understand where this falls in the line of Anton Bauer Power Solutions, where does this fit in?
Fits in to be used for a variety of different things. Of course, it's a great camera battery, offered in both standard Anton Bauer Gold mount and V mount options. But it's meant for people that are using lights mobily with mobile power. They're flying drones, and it's at a price point where it's competitive and it's easier to enter into this space.
So it makes your technology accessible to more people. And, I think what's really important to kind of get across too is because they're competitively priced, it doesn't mean that you're compromising anything. In fact, these are coming with accommodations that we expect on the other batteries. So you have a USB, you have a DTAP.
Yeah, so it comes with the PTAP, high-speed USB port as well. It has the digital readout here, so you can see what percentage your battery is charged at, and it has the algorithm that's built into the light. Into the battery itself. So if you're operating it on a light, depending on how bright you're using the light, it'll do the math and it'll tell you your runtime as well, so you could read that on the display.
So pretty much anything we put these batteries on, it's going to give you an indication of how much runtime we have left.
Yeah, absolutely, and it's dynamically changing. So if you happen to plug something into the PTAP here, it'll calculate that as well and adjust for that as well.
And you're making these available in V-Lock and you're making them in gold mount, so it really opens it up to everybody having access to these kinds of things. Now the other question would be, what if I already own a set of Anton Bauers and I have a TWQ or maybe a previous generation of charger?
Yeah, so the great thing that they did is, like I mentioned, building the technology in the battery so you can use it on all competitor chargers and also the previous models of the chargers like your TWQ that you mentioned, that we see in the back here.
So really the point of entry is the cost of the unit and nothing more as far as charging solutions.
Yeah, that's basically it. And one thing to keep in mind, they're also available in 150 watt hour and 90 watt hour, and their maximum discharge is at 10 amps. So for people that are looking for a battery solution that fits those needs, this Titan's perfect solution.
So another great power solution from Anton Bauer. Alan, thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you again soon.